Let's take a look at contact management in the Core4. Here I have the Core4 open, and in this video, we will be working from the Contacts tab. This tab is where you will be managing all contact records. The Core was designed to handle both company and individual records. Here we are looking at a company record for productive computing. This is a company record because the company checkbox has been marked. Let's navigate to the next record, which is an individual record. Notice that when you are on the individual record, the company name that Paul works for is slightly grayed out. Let's go back to the company record, and here you can see it is bold. Navigating back to Paul's record, we give you the option to upload a photo for this individual record. Here we have all his contact information, and we can also see that Paul is a Core user. To create a new contact record in the Core, simply navigate to the status toolbar at the top and select the new record icon. This will allow you to enter a new company or individual record. The Core4 will assign a unique ID for every contact record created. Here we have the phone contact information for the record. In order to add a new phone, simply select the green plus button. You can have an unlimited number of phone numbers for each contact. It will format the numbers for you by putting in the appropriate parentheses, dashes, or extensions. This blue icon allows you to promote a number to a primary phone number as indicated by the star. You may select this red X button to delete a phone number. These icons to add an entry, delete an entry, and mark an entry as primary are used throughout the Core. This button will automatically dial a phone number, and this feature is currently available for Windows only. You can also send this phone a SMS using a Click-a-Tel account with this button. Internet-related data allows us to enter an email address, website, or any other related internet activity. Once you have an email address entered, simply select this icon to generate a new email. To conveniently navigate to a website or link, select this blue arrow and it will open up your web browser. You can have an unlimited number of internet-related activities here. Let's navigate back to Paul's record, and here we can see his physical addresses. Again, you may have an unlimited number of physical addresses. You may add a new address, delete an address, or promote an address as the primary. This button copies the contact information to a clipboard and allows you to conveniently paste that information. This globe icon allows you to map driving directions via Google. Let's select this icon and view as a map only. We could also get driving directions to and from various locations. Select the globe, and I will get directions to this location from this address. We also have three fields here: type, status, and source. These fields are editable drop-down lists, which allow you to enter your own custom values. Next, we have the More Info tab. This tab keeps track of additional miscellaneous information. You may assign a department, which is also an editable drop-down list. You may indicate an industry, and you may specify if the contact is a sales rep with this checkbox. QB initials is used if integrating with QuickBooks. The Referred By field allows you to put in a referral associated with the contact. The birthday will display a countdown to the number of days to the contact's birthday. You may also specify Paul's spouse or children. The Private field will secure this contact to be only visible to the user specified. The Groups area keeps track of groups, campaigns, and mailing lists. Up here we have the QB list ID, which is used only when integrating with QuickBooks. The Created and Modified by date and timestamps allow you to keep track of who modified the record and when. We also have an Open Notes field as well as keywords that allow you to keep track of different aspects of the record. On the left sidebar, we have all of our action items. By simply selecting one of these items, we can create a new activity associated to the contact. We have notes, events, tasks, emails, faxes, calls, letters, and timers. And lastly, let's look at the related subtabs below. The tabs here indicate that these records are associated to this specific contact. For example, I've made an association to productive computing, and I can easily navigate to the associated record by selecting this blue button. On productive computing's record, we can see all the linked contacts as well. I can easily navigate between contacts with this button. This concludes the main overview for the Contacts tab. Please continue through our video training series as we walk you through the full Core4 functionality and show you how intuitive and efficient using the Core4 can be in your organization. This is just a brief overview of the many features and possibilities of the Core4. For more information on what the Core can do for you, please visit core4crm.com, review the videos and documentation, and try a demo. Please contact us via email, phone, or browser forum if you have any additional questions.